Welcome to SciFlux. Here you get daily coverage of the latest scientific research. Every day, we bring you new research in a clear and simple format so you can stay informed without wasting time. Like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment to stay connected and help this channel grow. And if you want each new research delivered directly to you, join the SciFlux newsletter. The first paper talks about tumor-associated fibroblasts, or TAFs. These cells quietly shape how cancer grows, spreads, and resists treatment, making them crucial yet often overlooked targets. A new review shows how cutting-edge tools are transforming TAF research. 3D bioprinting and organ-on-a-chip systems recreate lifelike tumor environments. Advanced imaging tracks cell behavior in detail, while multi-omics maps genes, proteins, and metabolism together. These innovations allow scientists to model a patient's unique tumor, predict responses to therapies, and even design new treatments. By bridging biology and engineering, this research is paving the way toward more personalized and effective cancer care. Next, we focus on a subtle but powerful clue in colorectal cancer: extramural venous invasion, or EMVI. This occurs when cancer cells invade blood vessels outside the colon wall, a small detail with big implications for staging, treatment, and prognosis. A new review highlights how detection is improving. Advanced imaging like diffusion-weighted imaging and radiomics extracts rich data from scans. Histopathology now uses AI and specialized stains to pinpoint EMVI more precisely. Even functional nanomaterials could one day detect and treat EMVI simultaneously. These advances promise greater diagnostic accuracy and open doors to targeted therapies. By turning hidden details into actionable insights, researchers are moving colorectal cancer care toward truly personalized, precise, and effective treatment. Next, we dive into the technology behind your smartwatch's heartbeat tracking, the Photoplethysmogram, or PPG. This optical signal measures tiny changes in blood flow under the skin and powers much of today's heart monitoring. A new study explored how to make PPG analysis smarter and more accessible using a low-cost, Python-based approach. Researchers applied a tool called peak-utils to detect signal peaks corresponding to each heartbeat, calculate heart rate, and analyze heart rate variability, a key measure of heart health and stress response. The results were clear. All three tested methods gave nearly identical heart rates, and HRV analysis was accurate and reliable. This approach could power the next generation of IoT health devices, making advanced, precise heart monitoring cheaper and more widely available, one heartbeat at a time. Next, we're looking at materials that could help the body heal itself, a frontier in regenerative medicine. Bioactive glasses aren't just fillers, they actively guide tissue to regrow, whether rebuilding bone or repairing soft tissue. A recent review compares three main types: silicate, borate, and phosphate-based glasses. Silicate glasses are the classics: strong, well-studied, and excellent at bonding with bone, ideal for implants. Borate glasses are newer, promoting cell growth and preventing infection, making them useful for soft tissue repair. Phosphate glasses mimic natural bone minerals, offering huge potential for advanced bone regeneration. Understanding these differences is crucial for designing smarter, more effective materials. Bioactive glasses aren't just tools, they're partners in healing, bringing us closer to a future where recovery isn't just repair, but true regeneration. Next, we're exploring how nature itself is shaping the future of medicine through green nanotechnology. Researchers are making zinc oxide nanoparticles, or ZNONPs, using plants like Vicoa indica, a herb with traditional healing properties. Unlike conventional chemical methods, this plant-based approach is clean, efficient, and eco-friendly. The results are impressive. These nanoparticles are perfectly structured, and in testing, they showed strong antibacterial effects against Staphylococcus aureus, potent antioxidant activity, and even reduced lung cancer cell viability by over 86%. This work highlights a powerful synergy between nature and technology, creating effective, sustainable treatments. Sometimes the most advanced medicines aren't synthesized in a lab, they're grown. Another exciting advance is tackling stubborn bacterial infections, especially those shielded by resilient biofilms that resist antibiotics. Photodynamic therapy, or PDT, can kill bacteria using light and special molecules, but it struggles when oxygen is scarce inside biofilms. Researchers solve this with a clever twist, combining nanotechnology with photosynthetic bacteria. Tiny cyanobacteria, nature's oxygen producers, were encapsulated in a gentle hydrogel. When exposed to red light, they generate oxygen exactly where it's needed. Paired with Chlorin E6, a light-activated antibacterial compound in nanoparticles, the therapy maintains its killing power even in low oxygen conditions. The outcome? This living oxygen factory remained active for 30 days and significantly enhanced antibacterial effects, including against resistant strains like MRSA. This fusion of biology and nanotech shows that sometimes the smartest solutions are inspired by life itself. Next, we're diving into the hidden challenges of titanium implants, the everyday backbone of modern medicine. Strong, lightweight, and biocompatible, titanium has revolutionized dentistry and orthopedics, but inside the body, it's not invincible. Over time, corrosion can silently weaken implants and affect their interaction with surrounding tissues. Researchers reviewed decades of studies to understand how this happens. In the mouth, shifting pH and bacterial acids can erode titanium's protective layer, while inside the body, chemicals like fluoride can accelerate degradation. The solution? Advanced surface treatments like anodization bolster titanium's defenses, and innovative coatings, using hydroxyapatite or graphene oxide, both protect implants and improve bone integration. This research provides a roadmap for stronger, longer-lasting, safer implants. Even the toughest materials need innovation, and this work shows how science keeps pushing the limits. Turning to innovations in cancer treatment, researchers are exploring a field called Phytonanomedicine, where plant-based compounds meet nanotechnology. Traditional therapies often harm healthy cells, but this approach aims to deliver cancer-fighting agents directly to tumors, reducing side effects. Phytochemicals, the natural molecules from plants, have strong anti-cancer properties, but they're poorly absorbed on their own. Encapsulating them in nanoparticles improves stability, absorption, and targeting, making treatments more precise and effective. A recent review highlights global research, from lab experiments to clinical trials, showing promising results, better tumor targeting, fewer side effects, and potential against drug-resistant cancers. By combining nature's chemistry with cutting-edge nanoscience, phytonanomedicine offers a vision of cancer therapy that is both smarter and gentler, turning plant power into precision medicine. Shifting focus to the hidden helpers inside our bodies, let's talk about biomaterials, engineered substances designed to heal, repair, and even diagnose disease. These materials, metals, polymers, ceramics, and composites, are carefully crafted to integrate safely with living tissue. They can replace bone, support soft tissue, deliver medicine, or enhance diagnostics, always prioritizing compatibility with the body. Biomaterials are already everywhere in medicine. Pacemakers, dental implants, artificial joints, drug delivery systems, and even advanced imaging tools like MRI and ultrasound. They improve treatments, speed recovery, and make diagnoses more precise. Looking ahead, biomaterials promise even more: self-repairing, adaptive materials that actively participate in healing. In essence, they're not just tools. They're bridges between science and the human body, redefining the very process of recovery. Turning to the power of plants, researchers are uncovering new ways nature can heal, and one molecule, saponin, is capturing attention. Found in many traditional remedies, saponins are showing remarkable effects in modern studies. They fight bacteria, calm inflammation, and even target cancer cells. Using eco-friendly extraction from the Argemone mexicana root, scientists isolated saponin and tested its capabilities. The results were striking. Saponin demonstrated over 90% antioxidant activity, blocked harmful bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus, combated fungi such as Candida, and showed anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects in lab tests. This research highlights saponin's versatility and the promise of sustainable drug discovery. Once again, nature proves that some of the most advanced therapies might already be quietly growing all around us. Shifting focus to the wonders of evolution, researchers are exploring why some islands become hotspots for unique life. On a Mediterranean island, they studied the distribution of endemic species, those found nowhere else, and the environmental factors that shape them. Collecting data on elevation, terrain, rainfall, temperature, and land cover, they used machine learning to uncover hidden patterns. The findings showed biodiversity thrives in a balance of rugged landscapes, mild microclimates, and ancient shrublands, creating refuges where unique species persist. This research not only maps these critical hotspots, but also guides conservation efforts, showing where protection can have the greatest impact. It's a powerful example of how AI and ecology together reveal the secrets of life on Earth's most isolated landscapes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, join our newsletter to stay informed with the latest discoveries shaping science and innovation. See you tomorrow with a new round of breakthroughs.